Hello everyone. So these are my little finished folios. I did not get to fill this one up before the battery died. My apologies, but I just filled it up afterwards. And then I made one more. I decided to just paper clip them instead of having the fancy thing going around it like I did with the blue one here. So that was my personal choice. Again, same pretty much layout. It's very easy to make and fun. So now we have these two. That goes there. That one goes in with that one. Alright. Now I want to make some fun little flap opens. Flip open and you can just write in it and it becomes a pocket. So I thought this was just a fun little play idea. You can use old book page, or like in this case I'm probably just going to use plain paper for underneath, or like in this case, this one I like this part and it's easy to write in, so I'm not going to use any of that copy paper or anything just because I like the look of it as it is. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to do 4 3/4. So like this. It does leave a little bit of a space there, but that's okay. And then I am also valleys turn into, okay, I forgot what the exact saying is, but the valleys become up and the non-valley is, so kind of like a card. And I still had it off somehow, but that's okay. I can fix this. That's a cute little cut here and a cut there. But this will become, again, it'll be a pocket on a page. So I just want to take a piece of paper or something here just to show you how it's going to work. So I'll be gluing this, and this down. And then this will, I'll have something on a page and this will sneak in. And then also this, I like this idea of it flipping open so you can write on this too. So again, it's a very simple idea, but at the same time, you have many different ways of doing it. And I think after I'm done with all of these, I'm going to decide if I want to turn them smaller pieces into, I'm going to make one at 4.5 just because I know some journals are going to be smaller. And then we take this part. Ooh, I did that again. So this happens sometimes to me where I accidentally somehow pop this blade out. I don't know how I do it, but this ain't the first time it's been done. Probably won't be the last time. So I think this time I'm going to do it this way, just so I can keep track of where it's bent at and bend it where I want it bent. So again, this is still a pocket that just folds open. Now, if we don't like this part, I have a piece of paper here, but I still like the decoration on it. I'm going to do this. Again, you can choose which side you want to use it on. I like this side better, so that's what I'm going to glue. But that's a choice. Again, you have to decide for yourself on how you want it glued. If you like the inside, if you're not using double-sided paper, you can go off and change it. Again, this is where I like the factor that, hey, you have versatile options with this. You don't have to go one particular way or another. So there we go. We got this one done. Like if you're using digital, again, I just cut down the digital where I wanted it. This one, I like the inside again, so I'm going to keep it the way it is. And this is 8 by 4.5. And then here we go again. This one's very plain, both inside and outside, so I think we're going to just decorate it up together. Just because, why not? Now again, if you're dealing with copy paper, you may want a plain paper over top of it. You may want to, again, I did it because of thickness. If I'm going to have a pocket, I like it thick, and I have these double-sided papers, but with this one, because I didn't have that thickness happening, it does have 3 layers of paper. So it has this paper, and then it has dyed paper, and then it has this paper. So let's just decorate up this one, because I don't know if I want to add that to it. But I really like this piece. So that piece, and then this underneath. And I can glue this piece down. I am trying to keep things pretty generic because I don't know what exactly I'm going to be using these with, so I kind of want to keep them as generic as possible. You could also decide to make these into double ones, but these in particular I'm making 4 as pockets. So that was my plan with these. Now, with our leftover pieces that I have here, this is perfect if I cut it in half. You know, I can choose which way I want it to go. Like that. And then like this. Cut off my ends. Just like I would if it were a tag. And then glue it together. Makes it really cute little thing, or I could just easily take something like this and glue it down, and we have a tiny little envelope that opens up. So voila, we got a tiny little tag that opens up. I'm going to grab or cut off a little bend there, and I can easily make that a tuck underneath it. Oops. Never mind. Or I can do something like this. An easy little piece here that will easily open up and get this nice little hiding spot. So again, there's many different ways of doing that. I like to do that sometimes with my leftover scraps. I don't know if I want to do that with the rest of these, but I just wanted to show you how I'd normally go about taking care of them. And again, it makes it pre-made ephemera. It makes it easy to use later on for other pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.